Hi guys, so we are in the new house and we actually stopped by Dollar General and got some things. So hopefully it all works out so that we can at least take a shower tonight. Olivia, no. Get down. We're gonna take a bath right now, okay? So I got a pole to be able to hang. And then we got a little mat to the bottom so that she doesn't, well, none of us flip around. I got us a towel because we only have one. And then I got the little curtain thing. There. You can hear the puppies crying and everything. It's, we left them in the kennel because we're trying to figure everything out. But then Ryan went back to Dollar General because we realized that we don't have milk and we have no way of heating up the milk. And Olivia. And so we're gonna figure that out, get Olivia ready for a bath, and then I want to update you guys. We are doing a major Walmart run tomorrow. We got the towel. We are doing a major Walmart run, so I just got the one hang us over, and then I want to get like a cute shower curtain. This is just like the clear liner to protect it, and then this is the only one that they had, but this will keep her from sliding all over the bath. So we're gonna get ready for the bath. And then Ryan should be home. And we're gonna get ready for bed because it's like 9 o'clock right now. Olivia. Hey guys. Here, come here. Want to say hi? No? She's running around. So today we did a massive shop, which is why I didn't vlog. Today's Monday. Technically our first day here, first 24 hours. We went to Lowe's. We went to Tractor Supply, we went to Home Goods, we went to Best Buy, we went to Walmart, we had breakfast, and then we had dinner, and then now we're home. So she's running back and forth between me and Ryan. You okay? So I'm gonna do a haul. I'm gonna set up the bathroom. We got a lot of bathroom stuff, you'll see. And then I'm gonna make a list of things that we still need to do. Yeah. So I'm gonna start. Where do I start? I guess we'll start off with Walmart. So, baby, you okay? We got one pan because I have stuff packed, but we have one pan and then we have one pot right there that will keep us over until we get our stuff. And then we got this of silverware in this holder. It has 49 pieces, which serves 8. So I think that's perfect. And then and then we got a spatula because I also have wooden utensils coming. That's in our boxes. And then we got 4 of these new plates because we got rid of all of our plates. What are you doing? You put your chocolate milk in there? Is it still good? Okay. Well, we got these. They're cute because they have the curve, and we got 4 black ones of those. And then we got 4 of these blue bowls, which I think are super pretty. These bowls. Ready? Do you love all the stuff that we got? I'm gonna save these plastic bags just in case. We also got this for the microwave. We also got a microwave. Hi, baby girl. So we can warm up your milk? Yeah. And then got some toilet paper and some paper towels. Yes, baby? What? What are you doing? 4 clips to match the plates. These. Those will match the plates. And then we got 2 trash cans for the bathroom. This is all from Walmart, by the way. Then I got this cutie cup. It's a Pioneer Woman one. It's so cute. I'm gonna use that. What are you doing? And then we got Olivia cute boots to run outside. I wanted like backyard boots just in case they got dirty or, you know, stepping in things. So these can be just her out back boots to play. Then we got some coffee filters. And then I got a shower liner for the shower, obviously. And I got some donut shop K-cups. I'm gonna make myself coffee. Got some toothpaste. Got some dishwasher pods. This bag's not really good. So then we got some Dawn Power Wash. Doing one bathroom, and I say it's like Olivia's, and then it'll be like the guest bathroom. And then one is our bathroom, but this is Olivia's, the pink. What? You fixed it? And then we got 4 of these towels for her, and then 2 for like when guests come.
What you really know?
What?
So what you doing?
Showing them all the stuff that we have.
I don't know, guys. We got so much stuff. I'm in
And then
the mix.
this our bathroom is going to be navy because that's like my favorite color for us. It's the colors that I always use. So we got these towels.
I'm gonna look at my stuff.
They're beautiful, huh, my love?
Huh?
They're beautiful. Oh, do you want to show them that you got a router?
I didn't get a router. That's a.
Oh, I mean a booster.
A booster for reception.
And then we got this for our shower. This pretty navy one, that's memory foam. And then, okay, and then something that Ryan bought.
Ooh, this thing.
So we have had 0 reception in this house.
A certain amount of areas.
So in the back bedroom, that's gonna be the guest room, is the place that we get reception. So he's gonna install that tomorrow so that we have better reception in here.
So people let Mary open or what?
Yeah. So, well, let me pick up over here. Then, where did I put that? Oh. This is going to be Olivia's with the pink. It's just white. And then we got this one for ours, which is a pretty gray. Can't really tell, but you'll see when I put it up. And then, not house related, but I thought it was super cute. So I got this. It says Mom Mode sweater. It's super cute. Who's outside? Is it Dada? Yeah, Dada. Running out of space. But I got an all-purpose cleaner. I got some gloves. Got some sponges. What are you doing? Got some mop. Soap. To sharpen the knives. I'm gonna it's a dishwasher deep clean that I'm gonna do before we use the dishwasher. Because the dishwasher came to the house. And then we got some creamer. Got a little one because we don't have a fridge yet. Yeah, since it's cold outside, I was like, I'm just gonna put them outside so that they don't get bad. Back to the bathroom, we got a blue toilet seat cover for ours. And then along with the pink for Olivia's. And then we got these to match our bath towels, but they're just hand towels, so we got 2 of those. Yes? What? And then we got these to hang up the shower curtains. We got 2 of those for both bathrooms. And then we got 2 more towels, like I said. We got 4 for the other, like, guest bathroom and whatnot. And we got some beautiful Pioneer Woman knives. So beautiful. And the best part, so beautiful. Oh, at Lowe's, we got one of these. It's to fix our oven. They have rings on them. And then all of this is like just Ryan's stuff to hang up that router, or not the router, I keep calling it router. What is it called? The booster. Home Goods. And got just a few fun things. So I got this soap. It's vanilla almond. I think it smells so good. What are you laughing at? And then I just got 2 fun towels for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna put this one in Olivia's room, because Olivia's bathroom, because I think it was so cute. They're just these little hearts, the heart candies, and it came with 2. These are from Home Goods. So these are so cute. And then these You Are Everything, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these ones in the kitchen. They're little everything bagels with hearts. It's so cute. And then we got a few more things. Come with me. So these are so exciting, but they're only exciting if you're like an adult. Okay, clickety clackety of the feet. We got a microwave. We got a, what's so funny? She's just laughing at Bear. Are you just laughing at Bear running around? Bear. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. We got a microwave from Walmart. We got this vacuum from Walmart. And then we got the spin mop from Lowe's. So we got all 3 of those. So I can go ahead and clean this beautiful floor that we have over there. Okay, so that's the haul of all the things that we got. We got so much stuff, but I will go ahead and show you the afters of the bathrooms. I'm gonna go ahead and put those together because we will shortly have to put Olivia to bed. But I think I'm gonna use my coffee maker for the first time and make myself a coffee just because I want to. And I'll let you know how that goes. Put some things away so that the kitchen doesn't look chaotic like this. Set up the bathroom, at least her bathroom, because that's the one that we've been using, because we didn't get curtains because I didn't measure. But the only 2 back bedrooms have blinds over the windows. So we've been sleeping in those. So Olivia gets one and we get one. This is our room that has a bathroom connected, which is why we are decorating that one in the navy. But we've been using the one bathroom by Olivia's. That's gonna be the guest room and Olivia's bathroom, just because it's closer right there. So I'm gonna set up that one first. And if I have time, either today or tomorrow, I will set up the other bathroom. What are you doing, baby girl? Yeah, that's your microwave for your milk. Yeah, that's how we're gonna heat up your milk. So I can't wait to put everything together. But first I'm gonna unbox my coffee because I have to. just did our bathroom, and we aren't using this one right now just because we're not using the bedroom until we get curtains. But so through here, this hook thing was here already. So I just hung our towels up right here that we will use, and then we have a gray shower curtain, the same rings and pole that we put in the other bathroom. And then we have a dark navy little mat, and then the toilet, and then our hand towels. So I discovered that I kind of want to put these like this, and then maybe get like a cute printed one in the middle. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. But this will do for now. And then I want to get hampers for both of us to put right here because we have like this little area. And then once all of my boxes come, I will be able to fill up those shelves. And then my coffee. But then I want to get like a hand soap and a toothbrush holder, and I put all that on the list. So yeah, this is our bathroom. Go, baby. Go on. Chippy. Hey guys, good morning. It's 10 a.m. It's been a long day so far. I know that I didn't vlog yesterday. I don't know if I got any footage. I can't remember. But look at this beauty that we got. Biggest thing. And I'm going to clean it. And we also have cardboard everywhere. Woohoo! And dishwasher's going. And we got a washer and dryer. So we do have cardboard everywhere that needs to be taken out. But yes, yeah, that's all we did yesterday. So it was a long day. And then we got home and ate and went to bed. And we woke up. I made breakfast. I made chocolate chip pancakes because well, we have a fridge now. And eggs. And then I had allergies, so I went and laid down for a little while. It's only 10 a.m. We've already done it a lot. And Olivia's down for a nap because I think she was just so tired. I don't know. But I put her down. I don't know if she's asleep, but she's quiet. So even if she's just laying down. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and clean, and like all the cardboard and all of the plastic and stuff is still in there. And so I'm gonna go ahead and empty that out, and then we can get all of this cardboard out of here and clean it up a little bit. And we're having a really slow morning, and I think that we are going to go look at couches and a table. I don't know if we're getting anything. There's a few stores that we are interested in looking at and seeing if we find anything. But I'm gonna give Olivia her time. We're not in any rush. We got a U-Haul to get the fridge here and the washer and dryer, and so we have that until tomorrow. I'm sure tomorrow at closing, I don't know, but we're gonna see if we can get a couch and a table and stuff. I mean, if not, we'll just figure it out after that. It's not a big deal. I just want a couch so that we have somewhere to sit, or a table so we can have somewhere to sit. I mean, we can wait on having both if we can only get one, or if we only find one. But yeah. So we'll see what happens. But first, hopefully you can hear me over the dishwasher. But first, I'm gonna get this fridge done to get all this stuff out of it, and then we're gonna get it has a filter, but I don't know about the water here. I'm not 100%. And he's gonna get like a water kit or something, so it's gonna be double filtered. And then we have to get something because our dryer sticks out a lot. You know, I don't know. That's Ryan's thing. I don't know. But he's gonna get something different, so it's pushed back a little bit. And then yeah, that's it for right now. So I'm gonna drink my coffee, clean this out, I unfortunately forgot to get like washcloths because I wanted to get some cloths specifically for like cleaning and stuff, and I forgot to do that. So I'm gonna have to use paper towels, but I'm hoping to be able to get to the store today and buy some of those. And to buy specifically stainless steel because also our stove is stainless steel and our microwave. And get the special cleaner to like clean the surface and stuff because there's already baby fingerprints. I'm talking soft because Olivia's asleep. It's literally almost 11 o'clock. And we haven't even been home for very long. It's been a long day. Yesterday we did get the fridge and washer and dryer. Got all this together. I think I did talk about cleaning out the fridge today. And we had a late start today. I made pancakes. Then I had allergies, so me and Olivia both took a 2-hour nap. And then we got up and went to a few different furniture stores. And I can't even remember. We went to Overstock. We found a table, but we didn't find a couch. We ended up not getting either, like anything from there. And then I think it was called Cons. Can't remember exactly. And we did find a few contenders there, but we weren't fully in love. I did like one of them a lot, but it was going to be a little bit too big for our space. And what we measured was like exactly where we wanted it to be. I mean, if it was a little bit smaller, because I think the couch that we did get is a little bit smaller than this area right here, which is better than it being too big. But they won't get here for a week, so next Wednesday. And then we also bought a dining table that I love. So I'm really excited to share that, but it won't be until next week. Oh, right inside there. But I wanted to do a haul because we went to Target, so I want to share. He's out there fixing the booster that we have right here that he set up because he said that there's another cell tower facing that way because it still isn't very great. But he's coming outside. Did you fix it?
Should be fixed. You see a difference?
I don't know. I'm vlogging. I'm just gonna show what we got from Target.
Okay, baby.
I'll start with this thing that we got Olivia. It is a sit, stack, and go. I wanted to get her a little booster instead of a high chair for when we get our dining table. It attaches to the chair. She will be able to fix it with us. And it actually has, like, she probably, I don't know if she'll eat with the tray or not if we're at the table, but you can also like make it a little bit shorter. Then I got stainless. Did you know that I got these?
No, I didn't.
It's for the fridge to wipe it off
Oh,
because
okay.
it's stainless steel. I'll use that. I got Olivia some hangers, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang up some of her stuff. I did pack some hangers, but I do have some clothes that I want to hang up. And then your feet. Hi. Your face is all wet. Magic erasers because there's some scuff marks. And then a lighter for the candles. But
You can also use a stainless steel on
the oven.
the oven as well.
And then toilet cleaner. Exciting things. Okay, I took everything out of the bags so that wasn't too loud. But next we got these two toothbrush holders. And they are plastic because we were scared that Olivia would break them. But we wanted one for her bathroom. And I thought this was cute, and then we were like, why don't we just get two of the same ones? So they're two plastic ones. White. Oh, I don't. Oh, right. You go to bed with that. then got this command hook that you put your mop. Hopefully it works. Well, it's a broom gripper, but I'm gonna put the mop in there from my spin mop because we have a laundry room-ish down there, and I hope this works so I can hang it up. So yeah, I hope this works. I'll probably try it out tomorrow. Then I've been like dying, which is why I got the lighter anyway, but I've been dying to have a candle, and we went to Home Goods and we went to Walmart, and I couldn't find a single candle that I wanted, but I did end up getting this one, mostly because it was cute, so I might light it in the morning. So as we go together, like a coffee and donut, it was $3 in the Target dollar spot, and it's called Morning Donuts, and I just thought that it was cute. Light it in the morning. And then I did get some washcloths, mostly because the place that we got the couch from, they gave us like the spot cleaner, and they said that's pretty much the only way to really clean it, because it's like kind of a sensitive fabric, I guess, and like you have to use white because it said that the color will transfer, obviously, you know. So, and I want to look clean, so I think I'm going to save a few of these that are only for the couch, and I will put them separately than these washcloths, and like wipe down the counter and the windows and everything. So these were only a couple dollars. And then I got some Windex because I have a lot of windows. Excuse me. And then I got some dryer sheets. And then we got some spray and wash max to get all, Olivia already has clothes with dirt stains all over them. And along with the cleaning, we got some laundry detergent. This is the kind we used before, and I really liked the smell of it and everything. And it says with stain lifters, all that. And it says that it is gentle on skin, which me and Olivia have very soft, like not soft, very sensitive skin. So that's nice. And then we have just a cute few more things. We got Olivia this super cute cup. She has not had very good luck with some sippy cups, so I'm like praying that this works. It has a straw, so it should be easier. Like, she likes to drink out of straws. She feels like she's big. And then it says it's leak proof, fits in cup holders, cold for 10 hours, flexible straw, vacuum sealed stainless steel. So I'm like hoping, and I'm hoping that if she throws it, it's okay. So this will be a tester, toddler tested, hopefully. So we'll see tomorrow, probably. And she actually picked out the ocean theme, probably mostly because of the colors, because we had a rainbow one and then just a plain pink one and this one, and she picked this one. And then Ryan and I both got new toothbrushes. I don't know if these are a good brand or not, but I mean, they looked nice. And so I got pink and he got the blue. Last thing, of course, so exciting. It is kind of cool though, but it's the Tiny brand. It is a toilet brush and a plunger set. But I thought that it was nice that it came together in one little stand, and has the toilet brush and the plunger on it that we can put in the bathroom. Just thought it kind of looked nice. The very last thing that Ryan got me from Starbucks in Target is so freaking beautiful. So it is the, I've never seen this one before either. It is the Starbucks cup, and I don't know if you can see. Well, yeah, you can see. It has hearts floating up. You can see all the way around it, the hearts. And I think it's so cute. It's a little dome cup, and it's like matte. And it's just beautiful. My bad. You came back out here. Why didn't you stay in bed with Dad? He can't stand when people are, like, we both have to be in the room or else he just goes crazy. Anyway, that's all I got from Target. Yeah, That's all I got from Target. It's been a lot like a lot of busy days, but it's been so fun. We are, it could take up to a month to get our moving truck to us, between 2 weeks and a month, and it's been fun to get new things, and like our fridge and washer and dryer, we've never had fancy things like that, so it's really fun, and to like buy things that are going to stay with us for hopefully a very long time. And like our dining table, I can't wait to get that, and our couch. And we are going to, I don't know if we're gonna wait until our furniture gets here to really decide on, I want to get curtains to put up here and a rug, but I kind of want to make sure everything kind of flows together. And then we want to get a rug for the dining room table, and then curtains to go over the sliding glass door, because it's kind of creepy that I can't like see out there right now, and I don't want anybody to be able to see in. And again, we are staying in those rooms, the only 2 rooms that have blinds on the windows, so we need to do that so that we can start sleeping in the master. But that's not really a big deal until our bed gets here. And yeah, we are slowly getting our home together, and we get Wi-Fi on Friday, hoping that I can then start editing more videos and getting those up, because I'm like already behind on the plan that I had, but it's really not that big of a deal. But anyway, I will go ahead, I'm just gonna put a few of these things away so they're not out, like the cleaning supplies, like when we get up in the morning and Olivia gets up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put some of these things away, and then I'm just gonna take a shower and head to bed because I'm tired of the day, and I don't know what's gonna come up tomorrow, but I will let you know, and I will see you guys tomorrow sometime. Good night, baby. Excuse the day voice. Good night, baby. Baby. Good night. Hey guys, this is going to be a video of hauls, because that's just where our life is right now. I have a haul, and so we went to several different thrift stores today, and I'm missing, oh, he probably took it. First we went to Once Upon a Child because I've seen people on YouTube go there. I needed to stop, and we got so many good things for Olivia. First, for $3.50, I got her these little sandals, and I don't know if you can tell, but they have little blue dinosaurs on them, and I thought they were so cute. They were technically boys, but it doesn't matter. These were only $3.50, and then I'm gonna have to clean these up a little bit, but they're so cute, little white sandals. These were also $3.50. They were so cute. Obviously, like, they have scuffs and stuff, but if I clean them, I think they will be perfect. And then these clothes are so cute. These were $2.50. These little pants. They are 3T. Got these little pants for $2.50. And then I got her this little dress because it just reminded me of something that I would probably wear when I was younger. It has these flowers and a bee, and this was $3.50. This is a 2T, so she's gonna have to wear it soon. I thought it was so cute with the little frillies on the bottom. And then I got her this little sweater with little pockets, little cuffs. This was $3.50. Genuine Kids by Oshkosh for only $3.50. I thought that was super cute. And then last thing I got her was this little denim shirt. This was $3.50, and I thought it was so cute. Probably to go with those striped pants or something. I just have to wash all these things so that she can wear them. And then we got her this toy. So when you, which ones? These ones, move the tires, the alligators, and then this moves. And this was $15, and it was so cute. She was pushing that around in the store, and then Ryan took her so that we could leave, and I was paying, and I last minute put that on the checkout so that she could have it because she was just loving it in the store. And she doesn't have a lot of toys right now because they're all packed away and we couldn't fit them all in the car. So she has a few things to play with until our stuff gets here. Next, we went to Goodwill. We did go to several different thrift stores, but it was only the two places that I actually found things, and this one was a Goodwill. I found this. It's a watering can. I just thought it was so cool, but it's pretty deep, so I thought either a watering can or like a vase for some flowers, and it just looked like so rustic, and I got this for $1.99. And then I got this basket I've been wanting one. I got it for $3.99, and I'm going to use this as Olivia's dirty clothes hamper, and it'll be for everybody for right now because I haven't been able to find, like, Ryan and I our own hampers. So this will be everybody's hamper just until I find something for him and I. But I'm trying not to rush on anything. I've always wanted one of those baskets, and it's kind of something that I wanted for her. So I got that one, and yeah. Tomorrow we are getting Wi-Fi, and I think we're going food shopping. So it's another day, another haul. But that is just what our first week here is gonna be, and yeah, that's it. And we're gonna go to bed. We went to bed a little bit earlier tonight. It's 8:40 right now. I tried to get in bed a little early because everybody is tired. We're gonna have another slow morning tomorrow and wait for the Wi-Fi people to get here, but that's it for now. We're gonna go get into bed, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, we are home. Another whole day of crazy. So I'm gonna do a haul. We went to so many different places. Olivia, stay inside. And first I'm gonna show you the things that I got at home. I've never been to At Home before, and wow, I'm obsessed with it. Definitely buying that. They have so, like, I knew what it was, but they have so much amazing things for holidays and stuff. I didn't get anything this time, but well, next time. First, I got these because we don't have anything, so I got a 2-piece silicone tongs.
That's cute.
Yeah, you're gonna put them outside?
Yeah.
Then I got, this is, what are those things called? The things that you put your spoon on. The spoon rest.
Something like that. Sounds legit.
Farm to table, table to soul. Then I got, it's apple juice. Yeah. Yeah. And then I got a can opener that matches. What? Oh. And then I got this cutie mug. It's like a yellow color. Thought it would be cute with like the terracotta inside. And then, did you bring We're just missing the curtain rod. Okay. Then we got a curtain rod for her things. But we got her these. You can't even really tell because it's kind of dark in here. They're white, glittery. And they are blackout to go in Olivia's room. It's so bright in there. And then last. Okay. Lastly, we got this foaming hand soap for the kitchen, lemon. So it smells so good.
Here you go. You want to show them?
Yeah. And we got the curtain rod, and then we got it with like the little, you can't even really see. Can you look at it? It has like the little bulb on there. Then I got this candle. I don't know if I did. I literally don't know if I showed this yet. Sun Salutations. This smells so good.
Is there a reason why they're so wide again? No, I'm just tripping.
It's just shiny.
Yeah, just shiny, I'm tripping.
That's all from at home. Then we'll do Kroger's. Do Kroger's for the first time. 2 hours. My love, what did you think about Kroger's for the first time?
That's not bad.
Yeah, I really liked it. The prices weren't bad. There was a lot of deals, like buy so many, get so many free.
Just the only thing that sucks is because it's Super Bowl weekend and there's not a lot of food.
Since it's Super Bowl is in 2 days, they said that they're out of a lot of things. But I got mostly everything that I needed. First, from frozen corn. I'm gonna have to yell over her toy. Some broccoli. Then this was a sale. We like to eat these instant mashed potatoes. So we got butter and herb. Then we got Wisconsin cheddar and Applewood smoked bacon. And then I'm gonna make some pizzas. So this was 2 for $5, I think. Pepperoni, so we can have that. Then I got some taco seasoning because all of my seasonings are in boxes at a truck somewhere. Then I got some pizza sauce. And then I got some traditional pasta sauce. And then I'm going to make some of the pizza crust. We're gonna make pizzas. I'm gonna make a pizza ground. Was cinnamon rolls. So we got 3 cinnamon rolls. What?
You need to get a house shoe.
Yeah. So we got 3 of those that we can save for the next couple weekends for breakfast. I think all the Kroger brand stuff was having sales. And then we got Olivia some of these yogurts. She picked this one. One is strawberry and the other is vanilla. And then we got some Parmesan cheese. Ryan always wants this. Then we got some mayonnaise. It's like starting off with nothing. You have to get stuff like this. And then Ryan and Olivia like to eat cereal, so they got that. And then we got some Texas toast. I'm thinking about also doing another pizza night on Texas toast because I think that would be amazing. And I want to try these skillet potatoes. Ryan doesn't like those, but I'm gonna try them still, see if they're good. And then I'm going to make double-decker tacos one night. So we got soft and hard shells. This one, we've never seen this one before. It is ranch flavored of the hard shells. So that sounds literally delicious. And then for another one, what is that? Mac and cheese pizza. I might have to try that. Have pizza every night. But then we just got a mac and cheese for a little mac and cheese bake thing that I'm making. And then we got some salt and pepper because we literally don't even have that. Then there was a sale 3 for $5 on these dairy-free silk yogurt. So I got a strawberry. I got one of each because I wanted to try them. So we got strawberry, peach, mango, and blueberry. I know I like the blueberry one, but the other ones are, I don't know. Blueberry. And then we got 2 things of butter because they were only 99 cents. Those weren't sale, they were just regular. And then I like to make Olivia mac and cheese for lunch, like just during the week. That's what we did before. And these Annie's ones were 10 for 10, so we just got them. And when I rang them up before sale, I think it was almost $30 for 10 of these, and then we got them for 10, so obviously. We got spirals with butter and Parmesan. And the boxes are enough for me and Olivia to share them for lunch. I like to do that. And then penne and 4 cheese, so we will both share a box. Macaroni and cheese, classic cheddar. This one is shells and white cheddar, and then I got shells and real aged cheddar, and another white and cheddar, and then we got puppies and kitties white cheddar. Very fun. I don't think she knows when they're different shapes, but shells and real aged cheddar. Another shells and cheddar, and then I got cheese lovers. So that'll be a lunch for the next several days. Then we got more condiments. We got some ranch. And then we got some mustard. Just regular yellow mustard, nothing crazy. Running out of counter space. Then I got 2 things of chili chunky beef. That's gonna be another recipe. And then I got 2 refried beans. Oh my God. It's been a long day because I can't even remember what some of these things are. So I got 2 of each of those. And then we're gonna try these on our tacos. Creamy Baja sauce from Taco Bell. I think that will be really good. Then we just got some canola oil. That is all from Kroger's. The next place is Sam's Club, which I am going to move you guys over to the other side because that is all Kroger's and over here is all Sam's Club. So let's do this haul before I put everything away. First, we got a massive thing of Ziplocs because when we get huge things of meat there, I separate them so that I don't have to defrost the entire thing. I don't know if other people do that, but we just got a massive thing because we were there. And then I couldn't bring all of our stuff with us, so we just got a whole new thing of 50 piece of Tupperware. This was only $20 too, so good price. And then also got this because I also have a new coffee pot over there hiding behind all the groceries. And so I wanted to try this. The other ones I have are Donut Shop and I've been obsessed. And it's just regular. This one is 20 of the cookie dough So Delicious, which I definitely gonna try that one in the morning. 10 of the Sunday Fun Day latte, and then 20 of the vanilla cream puff. I'm excited to try them all, but tomorrow I'm definitely trying the cookie dough. And then Ryan bought these insulated bags, and we didn't even use them on the trip, so we used them. I took them today, but we go through cheese like it's nobody's business. So I got a big thing of cheese because Olivia eats a lot of that too. And then we are going to make lots of peanut butter and jelly. So we got grape jelly and some crunchy peanut butter. I want to make that for sandwiches for lunch this week. And that's it for that one. And then I also don't have any baking sheets, so I got that. So cook this week. It came in a set of 2. And then we got a 5-pound box of chicken breast tenders. This is for another dinner, and plus we can have it for lunch and all that stuff. And then let's get this one clean. Oh, this is hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce, but we got this from Kroger. They got mixed in. Then we got some everything bagels. Ryan said that he wanted to try pizza on bagels, so we will be trying that. And then we got 2 things of the butter bread for our peanut butter and jelly. Then we got some 5 cheese tortellini. We tried this when we were in California and we absolutely love it, so we keep getting it. And it's nice because I could just cut these in half, and that's 2 dinners right there for us. Next, I got this pesto sauce. I love this pesto sauce. I like to use it on sandwiches. I'm gonna use it with that pasta and it'll be so good. Then this is the first, I know, a very adult moment. This is the very first time I've ever gotten mozzarella cheese like this. So I'm gonna try it on the chicken. Hope it's good. And then we also go through this. This probably isn't so healthy, but we go through sour cream. Like, I don't even know how 2 people can go through it so fast, but we do. And then, is that it? Just the meat. So we got 10 pounds for $35, and we do that because that is like almost 13 dinners for the 2 of us, and it's just easier that way. I freeze them in the Ziploc baggies and we just don't have to buy meat. We pretty much buy, we didn't get a thing of chicken this time, but with this one, and then the next time we'll probably get a thing of chicken, and we literally only buy them like once a month, so I don't have to worry about that. The next place we went was Lowe's, and I will go ahead and grab the few things that we got. Ryan just got a bunch of tools that I don't know anything about, and then I'll go ahead and put everything away. Okay, so we had a few things left at the front door from all the stores. So this one's from I was reading that. It's from At Home. I'm so out of breath. $24.99 for an outdoor rug because our sliding glass door, it's really muddy and wet out there, and so this is gonna go on the outside. You can hear the dogs want to come inside, but I'm waiting till I'm done. But yeah, this is the outdoor one that I'm gonna put right outside, so hopefully we don't bring mud in. And then these are from Lowe's. I got this broom. It's from O Cedar. Ooh, just hit the ceiling. But it's from O Cedar, the broom and the dustpan. And then lastly, potty mix. Oh yeah, we got this. This isn't exciting, but we got this massive thing of toilet paper because when we buy Sam's Club toilet paper, we can go like months without having to buy toilet paper, so we did that. But then I got this potting mix. It is blended for a wide variety of container plants and indoor plants and whatnot. So I got that for my little, where is he? Oh, you can really see him. My little friend indoor plant. Can you see him over there? He's in the pot right now, and from Lowe's, Ryan actually got a little hook that he's going to hook in. He was gonna go under there, but now I don't know. Hook into the ceiling. I have to figure that out. But he needed new soil. So all done. I'm gonna put everything away, and yeah, because there's like a lot of stuff out, and a lot of this stuff needs to go in the fridge.